Good morning. Sometimes we feel and we think we're the farthest away from something when we're actually the closest. It's because we are tired and worn out and exhausted, and we've taken so much time to try to achieve something, to get somewhere. We just don't see it, and we feel we're the farthest away. But that is a lot of times when we are the closest. And that's where mental fortitude pushes us over the ridge. And we see the destination, we see the achievement, we see the accomplishment, we experience the fulfillment. Galatians 6:9 tells us, do not grow weary in doing good, for in due season you shall reap if you faint not. Keep on keeping on. That mental fortitude, that strong mindset that you establish, push you through, up, and over, and actualize the excellence that you've been seeking. Ready? Go.